this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. So, December. I know that it's 5 days into December, and I've already done a layout, but I wanted to come to you about a crafty, chat on what I am doing this month, because there's a lot, and I thought I would let you guys all know. So, first and foremost, thank you for being a subscriber to me. I am super duper duper close to 1,000 subscribers. I am right at 60 subscribers left before I hit 1,000. And I would absolutely love if this is your first time, or you keep checking back because you see me link stuff in the, in my groups and all that stuff to actually subscribe so that I could be able to do my giveaway. I have two big, massive, giveaways that I am going to do. None of them are sponsored. They are strictly from me, and it is my gift to you guys as subscribers to being part of my community for My Scrappy Life. They will be open to international as well as United States. So like and subscribe. Got it? And then the second thing is... Yes, honey. Welcome to my real world. My daughter came in and asked. She's doing homework. Sorry about that. And then the second thing, I wanted to tell you about what I am doing for December Daily. I have talked about it. I've launched the video as well for it. I decided to turn that particular kit into the Adventures of Sparkles. So our household has the elf on the shelf, and I have been taking pictures every day, and I have been videoing it every day on Facebook. And I am going to take those pictures in the videos and work it all together into that book so that my daughter can go back through and look at what Sparkles has done for her, and when she was good and when she was bad. So that's what I've been doing for that. So with that being said, I decided to go and still do 12 by 12 layouts. So that means that all of my December documented type stuff, because I don't do everything every day because Sparkles is my everyday. And since I am treating that kind of like a December daily with the Adventures of Sparkles, my other things like the Lights of the South, going to the Nutcracker, things like that, is going to be my 12 by 12 layouts. And I'm just going to do it exactly what I've done last year. And when I do my Christmas in July series as well, is I'm just going to work through that. I am still working through my Christmas market stuff from being in Germany. So all of the month of December and probably January, this is what I'm going to work on. I want to get those done. And I'm going to just get them done. Also, with that being said, Lisa and I are bringing back Christmas memories. We are going to do 12 days this time instead of 10 like we did last year. And we're going to do our Christmas memories. They're going to start on December the 12th. Sorry about that. December the 12th, and then they will stop the 23rd of December. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you do get the notifications for it. Hit the bell if you haven't. If nothing else, just check back. You'll know that I'll post every day anyway in my groups and stuff regarding what I am doing. And that will help obviously get our stuff around, and this helps me also for sure that this gives me 12 layouts done in my December documented in my Christmas markets. All of the other layouts that I will be doing is just I'm going to try to post 2 to 3 times a week, because I am super duper excited to state that this week and next week are my last 2 weeks of college. Like, it's a done deal this time. Like, there's no going back. And I have 2 papers, or 1 paper left to do and 2 tests. And then I graduate. I'm done. And that is super excited. I am grateful that I have been able to do all of the stuff that I do. I'm a super busy mom, a super busy wife, a super busy workaholic. I've always been that way. And now that college is done, I can focus on I have two businesses that I run outside of or inside my home, outside of everything else in my world. And one of them is my crafty business. This is my brand. My Scrappy Life is my brand, and I want to make that bigger in 2019. I have huge goals that I am going to make, number one, in my business and in my brand. So with that being said, there will be way more content on my channel than what I've had before, because that time was taken away from college, which was more important. But this to me is important as well. It is a huge part of my life. I have never not scrapbooked, and when I do, I can tell that I miss that in my life. The other thing is, with everything, I have goals that I want to, hit. And part of that is to grow my channel. My goal for 2019, it may be like a huge goal, but my goal for 2019 is to get to 3,000 subscribers, which would be in my second year. So I wanted 1,000 for my first year, and now I'm doubling that to 2,000. So I want to be at 3,000 subscribers by year end at this time next year. And by doing that, I need to be active in everything. I'm not looking to bog myself down with tons and tons of design teams, because design teams, to me, I love the obligation. I love to do all of that because I still stay true to myself. I don't, if I don't like a project, I scratch it. It's a done deal. Like if I don't like it, I don't keep it. I redo it. And I know that this time around for the next year, I have some goals that I want to work on for getting on a couple of design teams that were my goals for a long time, and I'm going to hit it hard this next year. But I'm only limiting myself to 2, no more than 3 design teams, because I know that you guys want better content than just design team work, and that's where I'm at. So I have one design team that's going to roll over into 2019, which is the Crafty Maven Getaway, and I love that one because I can do whatever I want. I'm not working with a kit, I'm working with themes, and I can pick my themes, and that's amazing to me. I love that idea. I love that, and it's something that'll be awesome for me. That will definitely be on my channel 2 to 3 times a month as well. And to wrap out the rest of this month for scrapping, I have to tell you guys, you have to go get this, because I love the fact that I made my first edition. So that's like my happy news. And you have to go get it. It will be at Barnes & Noble. I know for a fact that that's where they go and put these in there. So go to Barnes & Noble and shoot me a message. I'm on page 112 in the gallery, and say, hey, look what I got. There's tons of social media people that I follow that made this, like the cut for this one, and I'm super excited to be along with them on top of everybody else that's in there. And because it is a Canadian company, that is awesome to me. I absolutely love that I went international. Love it. So that is my scrappy news. Link what you guys are going to do. Tell me what you're going to do for design team work. If you're on design teams, or if you're just scrapping for the Scrapping December Daily, tell me what you guys are doing for the month of December. And just stay tuned. There will be a lot going on my channel. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.